Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
For these first 15 seconds, all of our robots are competing completely autonomously. There's no human intervention at the moment, as we see 2637 Phantom Cats returning to the reef for a second and a third time. Their alliance partners 1160 and 980 also moving off the line. It's all 6 robots moving off to get those 3 points for leaving their starting zone. We're moving into the teleoperated period of the match in which drivers are taking their controls. We're going to be seeing the humans for the rest of this match as they continue to operate their robots. On the red side of the field, they're working to remove those algae, get them out of the way so that they continue to score the coral freely. 5869, the Aqueducts, also working on some algae removal of their own with their fork mechanism on the top of their elevator. We're going to see if they can get those out of the way to let their scoring robots, 2584, Flame of the West, continue to work on these parts of the reef. 2584 going up with their googly eyes on their robot. They've got one on level 4. Project 691 also working on these coral. They're going to drop one into their funnel and they're ready to score. On the Blue Alliance, we see the Phantom Cats and Titanium Robotics at the reef. Titanium going to be removing a piece of algae. Phantom Cats already back to the human player station. Let's see where they choose to score this time. Just on level 1, they're going to quickly drop that one off and return to the human player station as 980, the Thunderbots, are going up to level 4, and they've got it. 1160 on level 2, and one more piece for this Blue Alliance. That's going to be level 3. Oh, barely falls off for the Phantom Cats. 2584 knows how to keep those coral on the reef. They're going up to level 4 to score an additional 5 points for their team. As the Aqueducts score one into the processor, it's time to start working on those cooperation points. Our Blue Alliance human player playing some excellent basketball over here. Speaking of the Blue Alliance, it's the Phantom Cats back on level 3. It's Thunderbots coming back to the reef and extending their elevator. 1160 working alongside them to score on level 3. Some very nice work from these two drive teams as they continue to move around each other. We've just got 30 seconds left in this match, so start to turn your attention to the barge zone. Project 691 alongside their partner 584 working on their climbs already. They know how many points and how many ranking points those climbs are worth, so they're going to take plenty of time to make sure that they get those bonus points. Over for the Blue Alliance, it's just Titanium Robotics working on the climb so far. 2637 is going to join them for the parking points. We've got one robot up on both sides of the field, and it looks like 2 parts for red. We'll see our official scores in Blue Alliance victory. 114 points to the Red Alliance's 105, neck and neck throughout this match. But that's 5 ranking points being awarded to our Blue Alliance. Team 980 going to move up into our top 10 teams from that. 1160 is in 20.